everyone, today I come to you with another AI Gone Wrong episode. I found another misleading tool advertised as a try it for free AI video generator, and I want to share my experience so you can save your time. I signed up on VideoGen.io for free and clicked Create Video, selected Standard Stock and Shorts Aspect Ratio. Then I pasted a prompt about a dancing lizard on a tree and clicked Generate. The video generation was actually faster than other platforms. However, I had to go through a non-skippable product tour. Finally, the short video was generated. Oh no, but it was very amateurish in appearance, far from what I expected. Next, I tried to download it. There is a share option, but to download, VideoGen.io requires upgrading to Pro. I tried multiple options for downloading my simple short video, 1080p, not allowed 720p, not allowed 480p, not allowed visibility, public or private, also not allowed downloading. Oh God, do we really need to pay for a tool that produces bad results? Finally, I managed to view my video. Honestly, it was just an image reel with narrative sounds and stock images. My time was wasted. I don't really think the paid version would be much better either. The lesson: keep understanding AI tools before you jump in and save your time. If you learned something, please like and share. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next AI Gone Wrong episode.